Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. Once again, I am OT Josh, and in this video I'll be taking trades solely on price action, just like I have done a put trade here, because I believe by the end of the expiration the market price is going to close below my entry point. Why? Because I have seen the signal of this trade. I have seen the signal within this trend, and this previous candle was the confirmation for me to know that this market is going to go down from here. So this is why I took the trade, and I'm going to explain it when the trade is through. So now we got our first trade. Let's move on to the next trade using the same pair. This is an OTC market. Okay, so now I got my first trade. I will wait for the second trade, which is going to happen soon. But before we wait, let me explain why I took the first trade. Now let me explain this. Now, if you look carefully, this is an uptrend from here, but this uptrend is not a very strong uptrend. Why? Because we can see the entry of sellers sellers. You see how sellers enter the market, and this entry of sellers has the effect of weakening the trend, and eventually we saw that weakness evidence in this reversal pattern, which is the dark cloud cover. After this dark cloud cover, the market came down a bit with two candlesticks. So within these two candlesticks we can see that the downtrend is over. Now, after this downtrend, market retested with this candlestick and saw that the sellers were weak. Because if the sellers were strong, like the way it were here, this candlestick would have been a huge red candle. But this is a confirmation to do a call trade, knowing that the sellers were weak. Now, even if the sellers were weak, there is something that I saw, and that was this level here. Now, if you look at this candlestick wick and this candlestick wick here, it shows selling pressure entering, because these are sellers and these are sellers. Now, if this is selling pressure, what you need to understand now is that sellers are in the market, right? If you look at this place here and this place here, it shows you buyers are in the market at this price. Buyers bought at this price. So therefore, this one shows how sellers sold at this price. If sellers are selling at this price, ask yourself this question. If they are selling at this price, what will happen when the price comes to this round number? They will sell more. So having that in mind, when I saw this wick, look at the wick here. This, once again, selling wick is stronger than this buying wick here. There is a tiny wick here. If you look, let me remove it so that you can see. There is a tiny wick here. If you look closely, this wick is not as big as it shows that the sellers who sold here, they are once again in the market. Now, this is where I need my confluence. Now, I saw a round number. If you look carefully, there is a round number here, number 1. There is a Bollinger Band here, number 2. And this is a place where price reversed. Now, these three things in the market has given me enough room to know that at least for 1 minute, the market will get there and close below that area, because those traders there, they will want to act on this belief. This is how I analyze the market for 1 minute. It's a simple step. If you can go back, you understand what I am talking about. Starting from here, showing how weak the uptrend is, showing the reversal pattern here, showing the sign of sellers once again here, and then using that analysis to go into 1 minute to this trade. You understand that trading binary option is not as difficult as it seems. I know it may be difficult for some of you, but it's not as difficult as it seems. And if you look carefully now, you see how this same place now, sellers are also already pushing. But with this candlestick now, I don't think sellers are pushing again. The market, sellers are exhausted at this point. The market will continue to go up. So the latest play where sellers came in is where here. Now we'll remove this line here, and we'll mark here as the latest place where seller came in. Now, if this is the latest place where sellers came in, you know what it means? It means sellers were able to buy at where this price here. This is, just have this in mind. This is the price seller bought last. This is the price they were able to buy last. And if they came to the market again and they bought at a lower price, it means that they believe that this price is high enough. They are even buying at a lower price. That means the market will continue to go down. Otherwise, this market will have to break out, and then sellers look for a new price to buy. Okay, this is what is happening now. It has broken out, so the market is going to find a new destination where trade can go on. Right now, trade is not going on. Right now, what is happening is speculations. No trade is going on. Speculation is what is happening. So the potential place for trade to go on again may be where this round number, that is the significance of round number. Please, I want you to know, if there is a deep explanation video you want me to make, let me know so that I can explain and break these things down to you, so that you understand what I'm trying to say and you can get some better way of trading from those explanations. So I don't want to waste my time making those videos if they are not really valuable to you guys. So until next time, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. I will be doing much more of these kinds of videos so that you can benefit. Until next time, bye bye.